Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. This is the part 6 of our French verb series. And if you haven't watched the early videos, I'll share the link in the description box. So, let's get started. First one, écouter. Écouter, to listen to. Écouter, to listen to. Exister, to exist. Boire, to drink. Tomber, to fall. Agir, to act. Changer, to change. Finir, to finish. Oublier, to forget. Décider, to decide. Devenir, to become. Let's repeat once more. Écouter, to listen to. Exister, to exist. Boire, to drink. Tomber, to fall. Agir, to act. Changer, to change. Finir, to finish. Oublier, to forget. Décider, to decide. Devenir, to become. Let's discuss these verbs with the help of examples. And for your convenience, I have given the conjugation of these verbs in the description box. You can check that out. First one is écouter. Écouter cette chanson, elle est magnifique. Listen to this song, it's beautiful. Chanson, song. This is a feminine word, that's why elle. Écouter cette chanson, elle est magnifique. Another example. Nous écoutons attentivement le professeur. We are listening the teacher attentively. Nous écoutons attentivement le professeur. We are listening the teacher attentively. Correct? Let's move to the next one. Exister, to exist. Les dinosaures ont existé il y a des millions d'années. Il y a. Here it's for years ago. Dinosaurs existed million of years ago. This is not Ilya, this is not there is there are here. It's ago. We are using it for time as a time expression also. Dinosaurs existed millions of years ago. This is a passé composé here. Another example. Beaucoup de traditions existent dans le monde. Dans le monde is in the world. A lot of traditions exist in the world. Beaucoup de traditions existent dans le monde. Then, boire, which means to drink. Je bois un verre d'eau. I am drinking a glass of water. Je bois un verre d'eau. Nous buvons du thé tous les matins. We drink tea every day or every morning. Tous les matins. Nous buvons du thé tous les matins. We drink tea every morning. Next one, tomber, which means to fall. La feuille est tombée de l'arbre. Arbre is tree, tomber, fall. Leaf. The leaf est tombé. This is past tense. The leaf fell from the tree. La feuille est tombée de l'arbre. Passé composé. Next, attention, ne tombe pas. Careful, don't fall. Attention, ne tombe pas. Right? Then, agir, to act. Ma mère agit toujours raisonnablement. My mother always acts reasonably. Ma mère agit toujours raisonnablement. My mother always acts reasonably. One more example. Ils agissent avec gentillesse envers les autres. They act gently towards others. Ils agissent avec gentillesse envers les autres. They act gently towards others. I hope these verbs are clear. Let's move to another verb, which is changer, to change. Les saisons changent chaque trimestre. Les saisons changent chaque trimestre. Quarter. Chaque is every. The season changes in every quarter. Les saisons changent chaque trimestre. Another example. Elle veut changer de carrière. She wants to change the career. Elle veut changer de carrière. She wants to change the career or her career. Next one, finir, to finish. Nous finissons le travail à 1h, 20 hours, 8 p.m. We finish the work at 8 p.m. Nous finissons le travail à 1h. One more example pour finir. Elle finit son livre préféré. She finishes her favorite book. She finishes her favorite book. Elle finit son livre préféré. Correct? Oublier, to forget. Il a oublié son parapluie à la maison. Sorry, we left one. N'oublie pas de prendre les clés en partant. Don't forget to take the keys when leaving. N'oublie pas de prendre les clés en partant. Don't forget to take the keys when leaving. One more example. Il a oublié son parapluie à la maison. Parapluie, umbrella. Il a oublié. He forgot his umbrella at home. This is past composé. Il a oublié. He forgot his umbrella at home. Il a oublié son parapluie à la maison. Correct? Décider, to decide. Il faut décider quoi faire ce weekend. We should decide what to do this weekend. Or we need to decide what to do this weekend. Or in this weekend. Il faut décider quoi faire ce weekend. One more example. Ils décident de partir en voyage. They decide to go on trip. Or they decide to live on trip. Correct? Last one, devenir, which is to become. Elle veut devenir médecin. She wants to become a doctor. Elle veut devenir médecin. Last example. Les feuilles deviennent rouges en automne. Autumn is autumn. Rouge is red. Leaves become red in autumn. Les feuilles deviennent rouges en automne. I hope all these verbs are clear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.